Hi dear students, welcome to another episode of MentorBiz micro classes from the chapter Life Processes. In this video, we are going to discuss about some of the major parts in our digestive system and the functions performed by them. So, as we know, after eating our food, the food needs to be broken down into smaller particles of same texture for its smooth digestion. So, this function is performed by our teeth. Our teeth breaks down the food into smaller particles of same texture. After breaking down, the food is mixed with saliva. This saliva wets our food and makes its passage through the alimentary canal easier. After mixing it with saliva, the salivary amylase, an enzyme present in the saliva, breaks down complex starch into simple sugar molecules. The complex starch in the food we eat are broken down into simple sugar molecules by the salivary amylase. After this process, our food travels to our stomach through the esophagus, and there inside our stomach awaits the gastric glands, which releases hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. These pepsin digest the proteins in our food. The proteins in the food that we eat are digested by the pepsin. And the hydrochloric acid creates an acidic medium for the efficient action of this pepsin molecule. So the hydrochloric acid facilitates the action of pepsin. And do you know that this hydrochloric acid is very much strong acid? This is a very strong acid that it possesses the ability to burn our stomach itself. So the mucus saves the inner walls of our stomach from the burning effect of hydrochloric acid. So the mucus saves the inner walls of our stomach from burning after the action of acids. And after these processes in stomach, our food reaches the small intestine. Small intestine is the center where the entire digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and fats takes place. So the small intestine is the place where the complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins and fats are taken place. So the intestinal juice, the enzymes in the intestinal juice converts proteins into amino acids, carbohydrates into glucose and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Once again, it converts the enzymes in the intestinal juice converts proteins into amino acids, carbohydrates into glucose and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. So small intestine does all these processes with help of some other organs, that is our liver and our pancreas. Our liver produces a juice called bile juice. This bile juice do what? This bile juice makes the food alkaline for the enzyme action. That means the enzymes need an alkaline medium for its efficient functioning. So that is created by the bile juice. And the bile salts present in our bile juice emulsifies the fat. That means fats are broken down into smaller globules. Larger globules of fats are broken down into smaller globules by these bile salts. And the pancreatic juice produced by our pancreas contains enzymes like trypsin and lipase. Trypsin digests the proteins and lipase breaks down the emulsified fats. So trypsin digests the proteins and lipase breaks down the emulsified fats. And after digestion in our small intestine, there are small finger-like projections, millions of small finger-like projections inside our small intestine. These are called villi. These villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food into our bloodstream. So we have to absorb the digested food into our bloodstream, right? So that absorption is made efficient by the villi. Villi are small, as we can see in the slide, small finger-like projections, millions of small finger-like projections present inside the walls of our small intestine that increases the surface area for absorption of digested food. After digestion in the small intestine, our food is passed into what? Can you name this part? What? It's passed into large intestine. Inside the large intestine, any excess water in the digested food is reabsorbed into our bloodstream. And after that, the waste material is excreted through our anus. So this is the process of digestion at a glance. And that's it for now. Subscribe for more videos like this. Happy learning!
അസാധാരണ പരീക്ഷയ്ക്കെന്തിന് സാധാരണ ട്യൂഷൻ Cbse ബോർഡ് എക്സാമിനൊരുങ്ങാം മെന്റർ ബിയോടൊപ്പം എക്സാം കില്ലർ 2.0 ക്രാഷ് കോഴ്സ് ഫോർ Cbse ക്ലാസ് 10 and 12 പങ്കെടുത്ത 80% കുട്ടികളെയും Cbse ബോർഡ് എക്സാമിന് 90% മുകളിൽ മാർക്ക് നേടി വിജയിക്കാൻ സഹായിച്ച മെന്റർ ബിയുടെ ഏറ്റവും സ്പെഷ്യൽ എക്സാം കില്ലർ ബാച്ച്. ഫോർ അഡ്മിഷൻസ് കോൺടാക്ട് മെന്റർ ബി 9207 449933.